Hello, it's Jen and welcome back to our channel where today I'll be teaching you how to set up alerts through Fidelity. So I recently switched to Samsung from an Apple and noticed there's a slight difference in the user interface, so I'll show you on both devices how you can set up your alerts, because although we here at Winning Lifestyles are not financial service advisors, we don't discriminate between Samsung and Apple, even though Apple is clearly the better option. So what you want to do is go to alerts. If you're a Samsung user, you want to hit the menu bar. If you use Apple, you want to hit more. Sign in, and once you do, you want to add a new alert. On Apple, you want to click New Price Trigger, and then you can search up the ticker symbol in which you want to set an alert for. I like Coke, so we're going to set an alert for Coke, ticker symbol KO. Once you have that, you can select how you want to be alerted, either through a price change, percent change, exponential moving average, or 52-week high-low. I like to be notified when a price falls below or rises above a certain amount, so I'm going to click that and enter the amount I want it to notify me at. I'm hoping Coke falls below 48 so I can buy it again. If you want, you can also add a price to notify you when it reaches above a certain price, but because Coke is a good dividend stock, I'm going to hold it, maybe buy more, and I don't really mind too much about how high it'll get. Once you've entered in the amounts, you can choose how you want to be notified, either via email, Active Trader Pro, and or Fidelity's app. Click Set Alert, and you're good to go. You can do the same thing with the percent change. Just type in how much you want to be notified when the price changes via percent. Same with EMA. You can choose whether you want to be notified after the 20, 50, and or 200-day threshold. For the 52-week high-low, it'll tell you if it reaches past its 52-week high or low, which for Coke I think is around $60 was the high and $36 was the low. And there you have it, folks, how to set alerts with Fidelity. Now if you like this video, please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and remember to ring that bell so you don't miss a video from us. And if you've made it this far in the video, please comment down below which side you play on, Samsung or Apple. And with that, I'll see you next time.